Overnight hair growth is not really overnight hair growth, and I'm here to talk about it. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you for joining me for yet another video. It's Eve here. Today, we're going to be talking about this overnight hair growth that we see on almost every hair video when we open our YouTube app. By the way, for this video and what I'm doing in the video, I was refreshing my hair from old twist to fresh braids, fresh chunky braids, and I just decided to use this opportunity to make a teaching video and talk to you guys about exactly what overnight hair growth is and why people often misinterpret it to be literally overnight hair growth. So I'm not going to explain what I'm doing in this video. It's very obvious. I was initially shooting for Instagram and Facebook and TikTok, but I decided, you know what, let me also use this opportunity to shoot this video in vertical form for YouTube since I've not been able to shoot any content. So keep watching, guys, and I hope you learned something from this video. If you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside so you'll be notified whenever I post new content. I'm going to be making videos more towards the teaching direction so that we can learn new things about our hair and hair growth in general. My old or returning subscribers, thank you for joining me for yet another video. Now let's get into it. One of the strategies we use to get views on YouTube as hair content creators is by writing our titles in such a way that people see the titles and they rush to watch the video. A lot of us hair creators, we offer a lot of value and a lot of information and a lot of helpful tips and tricks when it comes to hair growth, hair management, hair care for different hair types. So on YouTube, you can always be sure that you will find something for your type 4 hair, for your type 4A hair, 4B hair, 4C hair, 3A hair, any hair type that you have. You can be sure that you'll find content for that hair type here on YouTube. So when it comes to the overnight hair growth that you always see in our titles, overnight hair growth clearly and obviously does not literally mean overnight hair growth. It just means that the way time passes, time will pass so fast when you are doing the right thing that before you know it, that thing that you started off doing and it looked like it was going to take so long to achieve it, before you know it, you're going to achieve it. And you may even pass the goal that you set initially. And this also applies to hair growth. The example I'm going to use for this video is deep conditioning. Deep conditioning is something that we always advise that you do it consistently every single wash day. And in order for you to see the best results, I also advise that you wash your hair at least once a week. If you want to push it, you can go for once in 2 weeks, but you should not go past 3 weeks without washing your hair. This is so that you'll be able to deep condition. And what deep conditioning is going to do for you is that it's going to restore moisture to your hair. It's going to condition your hair from the inside and it's going to make your hair stronger and less prone to breakage. It's that breakage that makes it look like you're not seeing results. Hair growth is a gradual process, and no matter how you want to do it, of course, you cannot see your hair grow so long in just a single night. But like I said before, doing the same things over time, especially when you see that these things are working, will make it look like all the progress that you've achieved, you achieved it in a single night. Which is why sometimes we see a hair creator cut their hair and then they come back in a few months and their hair is longer, way longer than the time that they cut it. And most people would have expected that it would have taken a longer time for their hair to get that long, but it took however long it took, which in most cases is a very short time compared to other people's hair journeys. And then we see things in the comment section like her hair grew in 3 business days, her hair grew in 5 business days, her hair grew long in the blink of an eye, stuff like that. And most times people may feel bad because they don't achieve such hair growth when it comes to them, but everybody's hair journey is different. Everybody has different genetics, people have different hair growth rates, and so this is another reason why we encourage you not to compare your hair growth journey to another person's hair growth journey. So now let me give you some tips and pointers you can follow if you want that overnight hair growth in quotes. The first thing I would say is to figure out what works for your hair. This is always the first thing, because you can use a bunch of different products, a bunch of different routines, and notice that nothing is really working, nothing is really sticking, maybe because of your hair porosity or your hair type or your curl pattern. Figuring out what works best for your hair may involve some trial, some error, because you may need to use several things just to find the one that works best for you. But after you do that, the rest of it is going to be a breeze. The second thing I would say is never miss your deep conditioning. Never miss hydration, never miss moisture. Your hair cannot thrive if it's always dry. And as long as your hair is natural, you always need some form of moisture to reduce any kind of breakage that your hair will be prone to. And then do your best to stop using complicated routines or stop following complicated regimens. The best thing you can do for yourself is keep your hair care routine very simple. It will be very effective and you will see your results faster. You don't want to overload your hair. You don't want to be using 10 different things at a time. You don't want to be doing 7 different kind of routines or 7 different steps at the same time. Break everything down, make it very simple and easy to follow. Also, this will help in case you need to explain it to someone else, maybe at the salon, so that they'll be able to follow it very, very carefully and do your hair the way that it needs to be done for maximum hair growth. Other things you can do include studying your hair when it has product and when it doesn't have product. So study your hair, watch how it is when it's dry, watch how it is when there is product in it. Observe whether the products that you apply sits on your hair or whether your hair actually absorbs the product instead of it just sitting on your hair. Also, if you can, observe individual shafts of hair and look for split ends, look for breakage, look for anything that will cause unnecessary friction when you try to run your hands through your hair. When you look out for these things, you will know when you need a trim. You will know when you need to dust your ends. Little things like dusting your ends or trimming will help to reduce breakage. You don't need to dust your ends every month. You don't need to do it every 2 months. At most, 2 times a year. And that's just okay unless you need to do it more often. And that's about it. Overnight hair growth is something that is very easy to achieve. All you need to do is make sure that whatever you start doing with the goal of achieving that overnight hair growth, you are repeating it enough times to see results. And trust me, those results, you will definitely see them. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you have any more things to add, list them in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video.